Good morning, class. Today, we'll be learning about two important concepts in Python, print and conditional statements. Let's start with print. Can anyone tell me what print does in Python?
It displays text on the screen.
Yes, that's right. Now, let's look at an example. When we run this code, what do you think will happen?
It will display hello, world, on the screen.
Correct. Now, let's move on to conditional statements. In Python, we use if statements to perform actions based on certain conditions. For example, in this example, we've set the value of x to 10. Then we check if x is greater than 5 using the if statement. If the condition is true, we'll display x is greater than 5 on the screen. Can anyone tell me what will happen when we run this code?
It will display x is greater than 5 on the screen.
That's correct. Now, let's try a more complex example. In this example, we've set the values of x and y to 10 and 5 respectively. We use the if statement to check if x is greater than y. If the condition is true, we'll display x is greater than y on the screen. If the condition is false, we move on to the elif statement to check if x is equal to y. If this condition is true, we'll display x is equal to y on the screen. If both conditions are false, we'll execute the else statement and display x is less than y on the screen.
What happens if we don't include the else statement?
If we don't include the else statement, nothing will happen if both conditions are false. The code will simply move on to the next line of code. I hope that helps you understand print and conditional statements in Python. Let me know if you have any questions.